Do you know how to incorporate peanut butter into your healthy keto lifestyle? Well, peanuts and peanut butter can be a real game changer for those embracing a ketogenic diet. These nutritional powerhouses are low in carbs, high in fats, and packed with protein, making them a perfect fit for a keto lifestyle. When buying or making your own peanut butter, always stick to organic peanuts with sea salt as the ingredients. Keep the pesticides away, as pesticides can penetrate through the shell holes and into your pantry closet. Seek organic brands, keto brands with the right source nuts. Almond butter, multi-nut butters are some options to fuel your keto regimen. There's even macadamia nut peanut butter with a blend of both nuts. But the benefits don't stop there. Peanuts can help you feel full for longer, curbing those pesky hunger pangs. And you don't need a lot of them to reap the benefits. Just a tablespoon for snacks can help you maintain your daily macros. Peanuts also happen to be one of the top 5 nuts allowed in a keto diet. Like we said earlier, seek the nutrition label for peanut or almond butters to obtain clean, healthy nutritional selections with the lowest carbs and organic benefits. If yours is pre-sweetened, seek keto sugar substitutes such as stevia, monk fruit, and allulose. There are many super terrific keto peanut butters in the marketplace today to buy and try. So whether you're craving a creamy peanut butter spread or just want a handful of roasted peanuts, you're in luck. As you can see, peanuts are a perfect fit for your keto lifestyle. They offer a tasty and nutritious way to keep your diet varied and satisfying. Now you might be wondering, how do we incorporate peanut butter into our daily diet? Well, it's easier than you might think. Peanut butter is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of meals and snacks. For example, a dollop of peanut butter in your morning smoothie can add a protein punch and make it more satisfying. Or consider spreading a tablespoon of peanut butter on fresh low-carb vegetables for a quick and easy lunch. Craving dessert? Satisfy your sweet tooth by mixing peanut butter with cream cheese and a touch of stevia sweetener for a decadent, keto-friendly treat. And let's not forget about kids' school lunches. A peanut butter and celery stick combo can be a fun and healthy option. But remember, portion control is key. Only a tablespoon at a time is needed to reap the benefits without overdoing it on the macros. Remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to peanut butter. But don't just take our word for it. Let's delve into the science behind why peanuts are such a great addition to the keto diet. Peanuts are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They are low in carbs and rich in fiber, making them a perfect fit for the ketogenic lifestyle. Experts state that peanuts contain monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can aid in weight loss. Now let's talk about macros. A single tablespoon of peanut butter can help keep your macros in check. It's high in fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbs. The ideal macronutrient ratio for a keto diet. Moreover, peanuts have a high satiety index, meaning they keep you feeling full for longer. This can prevent overeating and help you stay within your daily calorie limit. Peanuts have both omega-3 and omega-6. You may want to eat more omega-3 fatty acids overall in a keto lifestyle to actually help fight possible inflammation. The added omega-3s help to balance the effect of omega-6 on the body when consuming peanuts. So, not only are peanuts delicious, but they also offer numerous health benefits, perfectly aligning with your keto goals. As you can see, there's plenty of science to back up the benefits of peanuts in a keto diet. Let's toast to the humble peanut, a true hero in the kingdom of keto and a delicious partner in our journey towards health and wellness. Whether you enjoy it as a butter or munch on it raw, the peanut is always there, ready to provide that much-needed boost of energy and satisfaction. Now, if you've enjoyed this little exploration into the world of peanuts, we've got a treat for you. Our next episode will dive into the exciting universe of snacks, featuring, of course, our beloved peanuts. So stay tuned for a crunchy, nutty adventure into snacks while enjoying a keto lifestyle. We promise it will be a feast for your senses and your keto goals. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and definitely subscribe so we can continue bringing you great content. Subscribing will offer you periodic updates from Kingdom Keto. We look forward to serving you next time. Stay tuned in to Kingdom Keto.